Hi friends! Today I will color this page from the little corner by Coco Wyo, and I will use only two markers, orange and lavender. And I tried other combinations using orange and blue and orange and blue violet, and this is the combination that I like. Orange with lavender to create that brownish orange color that I like. And I am coloring this page because it is the next one in my coloring book. Let's start with orange in the fire. And then let's try putting the lavender and then going over that with orange. And let's use the flat tip this time. I'm just putting purple where I think it will be darkish. And then layering over that with orange. Again with the flat tip. Just so I don't have to switch. And I'm not very careful with the coloring outside the lines. That's okay. So basically, that's what I'll be doing this whole time. And then later, I will color over it with colored pencil. Let's try to put another layer of orange. And as you can see, it doesn't make any difference. So you just need one layer of orange color. Add more purple like that if I want to. Adding more purple makes it darker, but adding more orange doesn't do much. I think I want this to be this one. And with this kind of combination, I won't be leaving anything purple. It's to be purple and orange. But what I can do is add another layer of lavender, not purple. I want one area to be darker. Okay. And for the window, let's try using the flat tip of the lavender. Let's try doing orange first, then lavender. So in the end, the two colors that you see are orange and brown. And it works because orange and violet, orange and blue are on opposite sides of the color wheel. Need more ink on the parts where there's lavender so that will blend with the orange. Okay, and then let's color this bear. Let's put a bit more lavender behind the tree. It's really dark. This is already dry. Let's put some pencils here. So I'm putting violet blue on top of the orange. It's still orange, but let's put the shadow over it. And then later, if I want, I can use orange pencil on top of that. So let's try here, just to give it some gradient here. Just to give it a bit of a gradient and make it more 3D like. This part is not very bright. Okay. I don't like it too dark. So let's erase the extra. And here, just to make it rounder. And I think I can also use red. This is Tuscan red. Give it a warm shadow. Okay. Maybe let's put a bit of red here. Nice, I like it. We have to make sure that it's dry. Also a bit of red here. Okay, that's still wet, so let's continue with the alcohol layers. But I think you get the idea, right? It's red to put some gradient here to make the orange from darker to lighter. And I think this corner should be darker. Now let's do alcohol markers. A little bit here on the edges. Let's let it blend first. Okay. Let's put some texture. Now it's looking darker than I want it to be. And in that case, I can use maybe yellow, give it a highlight, or maybe cream. Let's try cream. Hmm, I think yellow is better. And we'll use yellow later for this bear's face. But it's still wet, so just let that dry. And next is the tree. And I'm guessing the darkest parts would be here in the edges. But we're coloring it orange and then going over that with lavender. And then I'm okay with coloring outside the line. What I don't like is leaving white spaces, which sometimes I can't help. Let's put texture. Let's add a bit of texture there before it dries up. Just another layer of lavender. I'm trying to get rid of some of the orange in there. And I'm drawing it like the strokes are the leaves, but actually it should be that the strokes are the shadows in between the leaves, because it's darker. And I'm adding some texture. And then for the trunks, let's put it some texture. Let's go over that with the orange. I like the color of it. And then just coloring the edges because I want the tree to look rounded. And then here, let's color this part. I think I'm happy with this. So that's my final coloring page using two markers and colored pencils. The pencils that I used are yellow, violet blue, and Tuscan red. I tried indigo blue, but it didn't work, so let's not use that. Then I have these two pens, orange and lavender. These are the pens that I used. And this is my finished coloring page. I hope you like it. And I hope you had fun watching this and coloring with me. So thanks again for being here. See you again. Bye!